Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make task list on Excel. Without further ado, let's get started. First, we have to make the layout of our task list. I'm just gonna put to-do list right here, and then here I'm just gonna put task and then category, and then right here I'm just gonna go with deadline, and then gonna go with priority, and here some notes, and then here is the status of our task. Now I'm gonna just drag this all the way here, and I'm gonna merge this and center. I'm gonna change its size for about 20 to make it bigger. And now I'm just also gonna merge this one. This will be act as the border. And now I will adjust this different sections. Now after that, drag your desired size of your task list, and then press on your keyboard the Control and 1. Now add some borders to your task list. Now after that, right here we're gonna add some total. And then right here the due today, and then next the overdue. We're also gonna add the status of our task list. This is for not started, and then here is for in progress, and here for the completed. Now I will just arrange its format. I'm gonna merge and center this one. Now after that, let's drag this whole box, and then let's add some borders. Now what we're going to do here in category part, in another sheet, just list your desired category, and what you're going to do is select the entire section Now go to data and then select this data validation and then select list. Now click this icon and then go to your sheet number 2 and then drag your listed category. Now click enter and then OK. Now as you can see, if we click this arrow down, it will give us the different category you've listed in another sheet. Now here for the deadline section, if you put the date today, this for example, now drag this entire section and then go to your home and then click the conditional formatting. Now select the equal to and select the equals and then today. Now choose to fill it yellow. Now it will turn yellow if it's date today. Let's go for less than and then change its color to color green and then go again and then go to greater than and then change its color to color red. Now if we put the date before our date today, it will turn green. If we put a date later than today, it will turn red. Now to remove this green color in blank cells, just go to new rules and then select format only cells that contain blanks. Now change its color to color white, or depends on what you like. Now it will automatically turn to color white if it's blank. Now for the priority section, just drag the whole section, then go to conditional formatting. Now select the equal to. Now type high and change its color to red, then click OK. Now if we type the word high, it will go to color red. Now let's do with the medium and the low. For the medium, we'll make it color yellow. And now for the low, we'll make it color green. Now here in status section, what we're going to do is select this entire section. Now go to data and the data validation and then select list. Now type for not started, in progress, and completed. They should be in between commas, just like this. Now click OK. Now if you click the arrow down, it will give us the different list of the status. Now let's change its let's go to conditional formatting again. Now go to equal to. Now for not started, let's go with color red. And for in progress, let's go with yellow, and let's make the completed a green one. Here in total task section, just type this formula equals count A, and then drag the whole section of the task, and then click enter. Now if I type something here, it will automatically count in our total task. Now for due today, enter this formula. It will gonna be equals count if, and then open parenthesis, and then drag the whole section of the deadline, and then comma. Now quote the equal sign, and then end, and then today, open and close parenthesis, and then enter. Now if I change this to the date today, it will count to our due today. Now let's do that to overdue. Same the formula as the due today, but we're just going to change the equal sign to greater than. Now for this section, the formula will be count if, and then open parenthesis, then drag the status section. Now type comma, and then type not started, and then enter. Now for the formula of in progress and then completed, it's the same as the not started, just change the word if it is in progress or incompleted. Now after that, just add your task and add some design, and we're ready to go. And then that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.